Hey y'all!
We're back. And today we are making slime. Okay.
Let's put a teaspoon, right? I think that's what I read. A teaspoon of borax in this water.
This is gonna be so cool.
And we have to wait till it dissolves.
Look at our big pack of glue. We can make it's so heavy. I can't really. We can make 100,000.
The struggle is real.
With that.
Imagine if we used all this.
I'm sure. Look, I can carry it.
Okay. A half a cup of water, that's what they said. They, as in legal.
Oh, that's all the way at the top.
Oh, wait. Glue time.
Glue time! Break that! Booyah!
Oh my goodness. I'm using my left hand. I don't know why, but I am right-handed. So hard. I'm so weak.
Okay, guys, he's gonna help.
The man is. I hurt my wrist.
It's
so
my
weak.
turn. Daddy, come over here.
I'm so weak.
Here. 3, 2.
Now scrape it. And then mix. Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy, mix. Okay, so we're just gonna add a little bit at a time. One. I'll do one for you. Start mixing it.
2.
So just keep mixing it and see if it turns into anything.
It's kind of turning.
Kind of. Maybe it's
Did you hear that? Click, clack, click, clack.
Yeah. Keep going.
Mine's almost turning into slime. I'm mixing mine a lot. Look at mine, guys. It's turning into slime.
Look at it. Oh! It looks like cheese. Look at this. It looks like mozzarella cheese.
I'm trying to get the slime off. Yep.
This is the color that we're going to use because we forgot food coloring. So now we have some mozzarella cheese looking slime.
Okay, it's time to put the glitter in. I know which one I want.
I don't know if we're supposed to add the glitter before or after. We already made the slime, so it's a little too late, and now we're just going to have to put it in.
Yeah, it's a little too late.
After.
I want.
How many do you want to put in?
6.
6?
Since I'm 6 years old.
Choose like 3.
1.
Okay. Wait. Go.
1.
Wait, closer.
1, 2, 3.
This one? Magenta?
Yes. Let's get in, guys.
Don't use all of it. Use some of it.
Wow, this is like no. That's very good.
Star slime.
Starsies. Oh, this is
I think I'm going to use these purple things. What is this? These are like eye masks or something? I don't even know. But I'm going to use them.
okay, I got this set up. Now it's time for this.
Oh, these are little dolphins. They're little dolphins.
Oh, they're floating. There you go. You're up next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Oh, that just randomly.
That's good.
That came out. of glue in this. Should mix it up.
Okay.
Wow! What? This is turning into slime already. Wow, look, mine. Wow.
I just put the plastic in there.
My spoon's kind of cute.
Come on. I can't even get it out now.
Okay, mine's good. Mine's perfect. I'm gonna take mine out now.
What? Put it on the plate. Take one plate. There's multiple.
Can I get a different plate?
There's multiple.
Oh, there's multiple. I didn't know what multiple was, so.
It means that there's more than one.
Okay, this is gonna be so good, guys.
Mine. It's beautiful.
Which
Can I
one?
have a plate?
Sure, that's mine.
Thank you.
Oh, mine's so sticky already. Get out, slime. Oh, get out,
She's struggling. She's struggling. Look at
My
that.
arms can't twist that side. Mine's
I
going
think
crazy.
she's struggling over there.
I am struggling.
You are?
I'm struggling. I
You
can't
need help?
do-
Ew, it's wet.
No, I got it now. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Look at mine. It's pinkish. Yours is not showing that much, except for the dolphin shows.
I know, I need to put some more glitter. I don't know if we should put more borax in.
Yes, we should.
Because
We should.
it's a little messy.
It's very sticky. It's very sticky. It might stuck to my hand.
I think we need some assistance.
Yes, we need
'Cause I don't-
assistant. Turn the phone off and put the camera on. So we need an assistant.
Oh wait, I got it. It's starting to work. Come on, keep moving it.
Daddy, I need an assistant, and I need an assistant. My hands are so sticky.
Where are you going? Where? He's leaving us. We might need assistance again, Edgar. No.
Don't leave us, Daddy.
Oh,
We need an assistant.
This is so sticky. I think we might need more borax, but the thing is, I know sometimes you need to mix it in your hands, but I think this is a little too wet. Look at this.
We need some more. My hands are so.
More borax?
Yeah, borax.
Morax. She needs morax.
Look at my hands. They're sticky with slime.
I think it's kind of fun though, playing with this.
I got the whole thing off. What is this?
I threw up all over my hands. Ew. Oh, this is.
It's almost like a cornstarch thing.
I know. That's what it feels like to me.
This slime is just not working out with us.
It will. It will.
It will soon.
It will.
It's so slippery. It's so slippery. It's slippery. It's slippery.
Oh gosh, it is. Ew. I think did we mess it up now?
Oh, it's so watery. Oh, it's turning into slime now. It's turning into. Oh, did you see the big bubble, guys? Okay, I'm trying to get my hands clean. Get off. Get off.
What'd you say? What? 5'2"? What does 5'2" mean?
Nothing.
What does 5'2" mean? Tell me what it means!
She's so funny, guys. You know what? I'm just wiping it off me. Oh, geez, that won't work.
Did you see that? Like,
Oh, no.
Haley, can you lift it up?
What?
Can you like lift up your slime like this? Like try to stretch it out and then smile or something at the camera.
This is so fun, guys.
Should we try to make some
Hola, ¿cómo
sand in
estás?
this?
Bien. ¿Cómo estás?
Go ahead. Talk to the Spanish speaking people.
¿Qué pasa con tu niño?
What?
I said, what? What's wrong with your kid? still speak Spanish, then I'm sorry about your kid. I'm sorry
Wait, how
about...
do you do those bubbles? Wait, I did it! Oh, it's gone.
I think my slime's better than hers because hers is just white and purple, and mine is just pink and with stars. Oh, I get it now. You just.
Do you guys want a bubble? Bubble?
Bubble.
Did you just see that? Did you see that?
I made a little.
It's growing!
It's growing, guys. It just grows. You didn't see.
This is just too fun. I can't even stop.
Okay, let's see if I can make a ball.
Look, you see it? Tiger?
Oh, you see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it?
Look,
That's funny.
here.
Guys, look.
Look, wait, you ready? Wait, no, it didn't work like I did the first time. Okay, let's put the sand in now.
Okay, let's spread this out.
So this is kinetic sand. I think I've seen people use this. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna put some in there. I'm gonna give her this much. Start mixing it in. And I'm gonna give me this much and see what happens.
Let's see what's happening tomorrow. Oh! Look,
Mix.
look what's. Yeah, oh, mine's not working.
We put the kinetic sand in.
And
I'm
it
gonna put a little
worked.
bit more.
Yeah, put a little bit more into mine.
And it kind of feels,
It kind of feels weird.
yeah.
Like a notebook, but it has a little popsicle on it, and then you squish it and it feels weird.
Like a notebook?
Yeah.
A notebook with a popsicle in it?
No, just a fake popsicle drawing, and then you squeeze it and it feels weird.
Interesting.
Okay, my slime.
Ouch! I think a dolphin stabbed me.
Look at how my slime's turning. Oh, I want to make a bubble.
Oh my goodness!
That stinks. I like our slime, guys. Should we make one more? Guys, should we make one? Should we?
Look at that! This is the final product of mine. It's just brown now because of the kinetic sand. And there's a few dolphins hidden, like, right there.
This is mine. This girl actually ruined it when it was nice, pretty pink. But
This girl?
I kind of like it.
What?
I kind of like it now because it actually
She
does.
likes it, so I didn't ruin it.
Because it actually kind of does. When you like mix it together, the sparkles come out and then there's still just brown in it, but there's sparkles. Our hands are sticky.
It just flew on my arm. Give this video
A like,
a
a comment,
and
and 100,000 million thumbs up because they haven't looked on their phone yet.
We haven't gotten that. I know that's what she was gonna say. She said it before. If you've seen our vlogs.
Yeah. Peace out.